Alright, hey, this is Nate with Expert Services, Plumbing, Heating, and Electrical. I wanted to take you here on a job that we're doing in Provo, Utah. Right now we're replacing a sewer main that we're actually redirecting. This project that we're doing today is probably one of the worst root infiltrations I've ever seen in a sewer system. So what we have is this house right here was built in about 1902, but what happens is it actually ran unusual direction to the back corner of this house and tied into the back of the sewer system for the home next door, ran underneath the home through the front and connected to the city sewer system. The problem that they were facing is that anytime the neighbor or themselves, their tenants, flushed anything, it would affect both of these homes. Between the neighbors and themselves, they decided that it would be best to be able to reroute the sewer in a completely different direction with just how much damage was caused by the old sewer system. And that way they're only responsible for the sewer that they're putting down their current lines. So as you can see, we got our guys over here working on backfilling the trench. We passed inspection, we're ready to go. What we did is intercepted the sewer pipe, getting rid of a lot of the problems that were caused by this tree. Had massive roots coming through. Luckily we were able to get rid of all of that. We turned it down the street, came down the driveway, took it through here. There's actually a lot of unmarked utilities that kind of took a little bit more time to get around because none of these have been identified by the blue stakes process. Ran the sewer over here, connected to it about 9 feet deep. Took out a section of the city sewer main so that way everything that they run into is in perfect brand new condition and they should hopefully not have any more problems for at least 50 years. If you have any questions, you want us to come out, take a look at your sewer, see what might be the best fit. We offer sewer replacement, lining, any sort of pipe rehabilitation, in-depth cleaning. If you'd like to have us come out, give us a call.